Hello everybody, this is Daniel here. So guys, for today we are going to implement the pause system for our game. By the way, if you didn't check the previous videos, you have the card here and the link for the repository where this game is. It's in the description. So let's continue with our video. So, as I mentioned, we are going to implement the pause system to our video, and for that we need to go to our rigid body here, and we have our camera 2D. So here on our camera 2D we are going to add a panel and a label. So for that we are going to add a node. We have here panel. Let me just check, because last time this braked. No, it doesn't like to do this, but you can do this manually. And I think, wait. Okay, I will do this manually, but I believe that you can work with some other stuff. Let me just check here. Let me just check the collision as well. And okay, it doesn't want to work with this. Okay, whatever. No worries with that. If you work with these arrows here, you're cool with it. So I'm not worrying, at least for now, with that. So we have here our airplane. Let me just add our label, and for our label you have here the text for it, pause. Here we want it to be centered. Okay. And the ordering for our label, it will be at least one to be above of everything. And as you can see at the moment, everything is below and too dark. For that, if you want to change it, you can add here a new material. We are going to add a new canvas item material. Let me open, and here it will be unshaded. Okay. And now on our on our visibility, we go to modulate, and here you can play with the alpha to put it a little bit darker, more lighter. It depends on what you want. If you want with color, without color, whatever. Okay, we'll just add it a little bit like this. Okay, for me it's okay. And one other thing, it's here on the process mode must be on always, because if you had, for example, on the default one, you can pause it, but you won't be able to unpause it. Okay, so it's necessary for this process to always running. Okay, so it's always our process, it will always run. And now we need to add here a script, and I don't know if you guys heard my dog, but he says no. 50-year-old dog, what we are going to do? And I write it 50-year-olds. So I will say pause panel, pause panel. Okay, and we create here our script. We are not going to need the ready one, the ready function. And one thing I will do, it's by default this will be invisible, because now we can create our condition. By the way, on project settings, on input maps, I have the escape as my pause key. So let's call it now if input dot is action just pressed. And sorry guys, my dog, I think my dog wants to teach something, I don't know. Okay, so it's a little bit quiet now. Now that we have the valid, if the condition is true, we are going to do two things. First, it's to make our panel visible, and second, we need to make our tree paused. And to make our world paused, is basically get tree dot and here post. Okay, it will be equal to the to revert. We are going to revert it. Okay, if it's paused it will unpaused, if it's unpaused it will paused, and we're going to do the same for our visibility. So self.visible, because we are on the panel, it will be the reverse for self.visible. And here we have our pause system. You guys think it's going to work? Not. Let me just stop the game. Let me just play it again, and let me just walk around with our spaceship, and then okay, it's walking, and then press pause and it's paused. Now it will, when I unpause the spaceship, it will still moving or not. We'll see. Still moving because we don't mess with the inertia, in this case of our spaceship, so you can pause and unpause as many times as you want. By the way, I will show you guys if you, let me just go to the panel, because regarding the process, if you edit as inherit, if you go and try to, let me just check, we are moving, you can pause, but I'm pressing ESC, you can unpause. So you can play with this, but I will say it's, for me it's better to be on always, because that way the process is always waiting for your press. Okay, I will not add any more stuff on this video, like the UI for exit the game and for continue. I will just do that in another video, because on that one I will add the menu for the game, and there you guys will work with the UI, and then you can try yourself to implement it on the pause. So this one is a very short video, however, hope you guys like it. If you like, just subscribe, hit the like button, you already know what to do. By the way, I already have Discord, still a little bit dead without anyone there, but I'm waiting for you guys to join there, and there we can talk about a lot of stuff like coding, art, and just chill there, and hope to see you guys on the next video. So bye bye.